Welcome to our video on incorporating the Glucoberry MD process into your daily routine. In this video, we will share 5 tips and tricks that will help you seamlessly include Glucoberry MD in your daily health regimen. Whether you are already familiar with Glucoberry MD or just starting out, these tips will enhance your experience and maximize the benefits it provides. One key tip for incorporating Glucoberry MD process into your daily routine is to establish a consistent time for consumption. Choose a time of day that works best for you and stick to it. This will help you form a habit and ensure that you never miss a dose of Glucoberry MD. Another helpful tip is to mix Glucoberry MD with your favorite beverage. Whether it's water, juice, or a smoothie, adding Glucoberry MD to it will make it more enjoyable to consume. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your taste buds. To further enhance the effectiveness of Glucoberry MD, consider pairing it with a healthy snack. This will provide your body with additional nutrients and make for a well-rounded boost to your daily routine. Choose snacks that are high in antioxidants and vitamins to complement the benefits of Glucoberry MD. Tracking your progress is essential when incorporating Glucoberry MD into your daily routine. Keep a journal or use a mobile app to note down any changes you observe in your energy levels, sleep patterns, and overall well-being. This will help you understand the impact of Glucoberry MD on your health and motivate you to stay consistent. Last but not least, staying consistent is crucial for long-term success with the Glucoberry MD process. Make it a part of your daily routine and commit to taking it regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of Glucoberry MD. Incorporating the Glucoberry MD process into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 5 tips and tricks, you can seamlessly make Glucoberry MD a part of your health regimen. Remember to start with a consistent time, mix it with your favorite beverage, pair it with a healthy snack, track your progress, and stay consistent. We hope these tips help you optimize your experience with Glucoberry MD.